flip it. Turn that around. So my main burner's on the end where I'm actually heating metal. I'm not going to use this back one. Pretty much all you guys need is some type of anvil. Put this chain around here to keep it from dinging so loud when you hit it. So yeah, don't ping and keep pinging. Real simple 1 burner or 2 burner propane. This end. You gotta set this tube right here so you get the proper air mixture. After that, all you need is some metal and a hammer, some leather gloves. So I'll get a hot piece of metal out first and put it on my anvil. But it's a piece of metal I'm not really going to use. That's just to heat my anvil up. It's 29, 30 degrees out here. So if you try to start hammering on a hot piece of metal, it's going to cool off quick, too quick. And it's really going to make you mad. So I try to heat that anvil up, usually with like a small propane torch, but mine seems to be not working. Well, I've just got a piece of metal, put 2 pieces of metal in the forge. One I'm going to work on, one of them I'm just going to lay on the anvil and let that heat conduct down into the anvil and heat it up. Take these gloves off, put on leather gloves. These will melt. I'm not in any way an expert. This is just general at the house board. You want to forge something, play around with it. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Your gas starts sputtering like popcorn. You need to adjust your regulator and adjust this valve up here that lets this air in. You want that constant flame sound. That sounds pretty good. Once you got a little orange, cherry red orange, you can start hammering, shaping, whatever you want to do. I want to show you how quick the steel cools off when it touches that cold anvil. See how quick that cools off, loses its color. Look at it, it's so cold out here. It'll keep doing that until my anvil warms up. That's what this piece is for. We got these out of an old wood stove. A lot of stoves come with a little door that you can open and close. Those are a lot better. You can cut these out pretty easily. Rough cut them, hammer them, grind them, whatever you got to do. Before you heat treat these, this is 1095 steel. Before you heat treat them, you need to drill holes in your handle, because once it's hardened, you can't drill holes very easily. I've made about 3 or 4 of these just for fun. Nice color. Kind of showing you guys different types of material. Like this is something I had hammered out flat from a piece. Well, from a piece about this big, a little bit wider than that. Hammer, flatten it, kind of cut off the excess, and then you can start beveling your edge. Different types of metal you can use. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Keep doing this, get the shape that you want, fix the handle, stop, drill holes in the handle if you're gonna do it that way. Reheat it up, depending on what steel you use, dictates what you use as a quench medium. So you heat it back up, about glowing orange red, dip it down in the quench medium. Temper it, and then make your handles out of whatever material. I think this is walnut. There's some scales in there. Epoxy it together, use brass for the rings, and you got you a pretty good knife. I left this one unfinished, so it's a lot of work making this out of this. Took me probably 6 or 7 hours, maybe 8 hours, including temper time. I might do a full video one day. All right, appreciate it, guys. See y'all next time.